Hey friends, if the Windows Update page shows blank, then please watch this video. Now, this happens often, and I think the first solution should be to simply restart your computer. Right click on the Start button, select Shutdown or Sign Out, and restart the computer. So, the next one is Clean Boot. So, why am I not suggesting clearing the Windows Update cache and all? Because it says that going to this page itself shows that it's blank. But reaching this page has nothing to do with Windows updates. It is associated with the settings. Yes, if the updates don't work, then we will reset Windows Update components. So maybe a third party software product could be preventing all of this. And in this case, here's what you can do. Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and go to system configuration. Go to the services tab. Select check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on disable or apply, OK, and then restart your computer. The next one is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The last solution will be a malware scan. So search for MRT and go to this command. It will need a few seconds to load up the application and then click on next, select full scan, click on next once again, and it will start scanning the system for malware. This is what is going to solve the issue. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.